In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get cPanel username and password in Namecheap. If you're trying to access your hosting dashboard through Namecheap, there's an important shortcut to know right away. In many cases, if you're already signed into your Namecheap account, you may not actually need to manually find or enter your cPanel username and password at all. Instead, Namecheap can take you directly into cPanel from your account dashboard, which is much faster and easier. To begin, go to the Namecheap website. Once you're there, log into your Namecheap account using your normal account credentials. Make sure you're entering the main account dashboard and not looking for a separate cPanel login page yet, because the goal here is to access cPanel through Namecheap directly. After you've logged in, look toward the left-hand menu inside the dashboard. You'll want to find the section called Hosting List. This is where Namecheap shows the hosting services connected to your account. Click on Hosting List to open it and view your available hosting plans. Next, locate the hosting plan that is currently active and connected to the website or domain you want to manage. If you have more than one hosting plan, take a moment to confirm that you're selecting the correct one. This helps avoid opening the wrong cPanel account, especially if you manage multiple sites. Once you've found the correct hosting plan, look for the button labeled Go to cPanel. Click that button. Namecheap will usually log you into cPanel automatically without asking you to type in your cPanel username or password separately. This is the easiest way to access cPanel and is often the preferred method because it saves time and avoids login issues. If your main goal was simply to get into cPanel, then this is all you need to do. You can bypass the need to manually enter cPanel credentials by going through your Namecheap dashboard every time. This is especially useful if you don't remember the cPanel login details or just want the quickest path. As a helpful tip, if the button doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or double check that your hosting plan is active. Also, make sure you're looking under Hosting List and not another section of the dashboard. Small navigation mistakes are usually the reason people can't find the cPanel access option. That's it. By logging into Namecheap, opening the hosting list, finding your active hosting plan, and clicking Go to cPanel, you can access cPanel directly without manually typing a separate username or password.